In this presentation, we will be looking at the collection of estate assets and how the estate is administered following receipt of a grant of representation. The final act required of the personal representatives is to collect in, administer, and distribute the deceased's estate in accordance with the deceased's wishes or according to law. You will recall that this is the fundamental duty of any personal representative. Collecting assets. Once a grant has been obtained, the personal representatives can begin their duty of collecting the deceased's assets by sending either the original grant or an office copy to the various institutions. To avoid any personal liability for the wasting of assets, on the grounds of failure to take appropriate steps to preserve their value, the assets should be collected in a reasonable time. Once money is collected, it should be paid into a separate personal representative's bank account or into a client account held by a solicitor. Any actual property collected should be stored and safeguarded.